I'm the Yellow Shirt Kid, and today we're going to find some people to do some tricks on. What's your name?
It's Aki Baggy.
Yeah, Aki, you're right, man. Alright, cool. Okay, I'm going to do a trick for you, is that alright?
Yeah, it's alright.
Guy comes up to me with 3 playing cards.
Yeah.
He's got this card.
Yep.
He's got this card.
Yeah.
He's also got that card. As he says this, he takes that card to the bottom. Okay? Then the guy asks me, where did you take that card? I go, well, it's obvious, you just took it to the bottom. So then he shows me, and that's this card. So I'm thinking, well, if it's not at the bottom, it must be at the top. That's also this card. If it's not at the top, if it's at the bottom, it must be in the middle. But that's also this card. So I go, wait, that's not fair, you're using 3 of these cards. And then he goes, no, there's that card, there's also that card, there's also that card. So I'm thinking, wait, you're cheating, that's not fair, you're using 3 of that cards. And I go, no, because there's this card, there's also this card, there's also this card. So then I said, mate, you're cheating using 3 of these cards. And I go, yeah, because I am cheating. Because in life, you get a bit of this, you get a bit of that, and you don't get much of the other. What the hell? Thanks a lot, mate. I'm Yellow Shirt Kid. Please subscribe.